Good morning, public speakers. Instructions for week 3. You will notice you see the course homepage in front of you. If you scroll down to week 3 under the content tab and bounce over to learning objectives and checklists, week 3 to-dos, this is what I need from you. First, let's cover the objectives. 3 simple objectives this week. Realize the importance of informative speaking, why we deliver informative speeches. The aim is to teach, to help people learn, to enlighten others. The second objective, identify different techniques to help listeners learn and remember, because that is the whole purpose, that your listener gains something, they learn, and they recall the information. And then our third objective, design and prepare an informative speech. Next week, week 4, you will be assigned your first speech. It will be an informative speech. So all of the learning we do this week is in direct preparation for your assignment next week. So keep that in mind as you work through the coursework in week 3. Your week 3 to-dos, read chapter 13. Note we are not going in sequential order here. We jump to chapter 13 this week, which covers informative speaking thoroughly. What I need from you this week in terms of points, you will submit an informative speech keyword outline. Now, the real challenge here will be selecting your topic and then developing, designing, and putting together that keyword outline. I want you to know this is simply a first draft. You are absolutely allowed to edit and finalize before you use the keyword outline to present your speech next week. Secondly, you have a 5-point quiz covering chapter 13 on informative speaking. And then lastly, your week 3 discussion. You are all doing very well with your discussions. You're going to watch a 4-minute TED Talk, The Danger of Silence by Clint Smith. Then you are going to answer the following 3 questions. Please ensure that your responses to the questions are a minimum of 1 paragraph each. Use correct spelling, grammar, spacing. You got this down to receive full credit. Then in terms of replies, you will reply to 2 of your classmates' posts. 1 reply, respond in agreement, share similarities and or support of their position. And then your second reply, respond in disagreement. Respectfully share alternative perspectives and views and support that. Okay, folks, so this is week 3. Let's make it a great week. Please be in touch with any questions. Thank you.